This is how to check your oil level, not on the service menu, so the secret menu. So we go ignition position 1. Want to be on the trip menu. We're going to use the return and the center black button. So press return and the center black. Return first, then hold the return and the center black button. Hold both of these down for 10 seconds whilst we're on the trip menu. Ignition position 1, foot off the brake, door shut, bonnet shut, release both of these. Then we'll return, come over to the workshop menu. Now if we go into here, first at the top there is vehicle data. Click into this. If you go up, you need to touch ignition on. So one more click, ignition's on. Maximum oil level and then add, and we go up again. It will have oil level in litres. The engine isn't currently running, so when that is running that will tell you, and then oil temperature is 48 degrees. So there you go, it will tell you how much you need to add. Don't add exactly this amount, just underneath, otherwise you'll end up when it's warm it will be too much.